Alright, so I'm doing a little barn tour just to the downstairs of like our animals and stuff. So our cows that we have, you probably can't see them. Well, you kind of can. Down there we have like 35 Angus that we have, and they stay in this side of the bottom of the barn. And on the other side here, we have these Holsteins, which we're a neighbor is just renting the space. We're feeding them and stuff every day, but he's just keeping them here. That actually happens to be where I work at, is where these cows are coming from. Figured I'd add this in. This is just our feed cart that we use to feed them with. Terrible lighting in here, but this is our machinery. We have our skid loader, little coyote. We got our backhoe. There's some stuff for the coyote back there. We have the big tractor with the manure spreader here. We have the lawnmower, and we got a little old trailer. Down here we have our old Morton building. We have a bush hog, the silo loader. We have a 2-row corn planter, which we still use. We got the 4-wheeler, got a rake, dump trailer, Super M with a mobile plow, and then the shop side is over there. The final thing we have here is our Farmall 460 in our wagon shed, which all we have is this plow and some straw for the cows. These are our cattle trailer here and our 28-foot PJ trailer, and the truck's over there.